What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Apple CarPlay on your Android head unit. I know I've been getting a lot of questions about how I did it. I know a lot of people it seems a little confusing, so I just wanted to show everybody how to do it. Fairly simple. All you need to do, buy a dongle that you can plug into your phone, and then you download an app, and then you can get Apple CarPlay. So it's super simple, very nice to have on an Android head unit. I love it. I use mine all the time. Before we get started, you guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so we can get more good content just like this. So thank you guys so much, and let's get this video started. I've been getting a lot of questions asking me how to do it and how to install it, and it's actually fairly simple. You can do everything right here on the screen. All you need to do is purchase one of these dongles for AutoKit USB adapter. I'll put a link in the description so that way you can do it, and I'll also be putting a link to the download in the description too, because you're going to need to download a special app to use the dongle in order to do that. Because I've tried to look, but you cannot download this app on the Google Play Store. So you're going to need to download a special APK for the Android head unit. Alright, so the first thing you want to do on your Android head unit is find Google Chrome or whatever internet browser you're doing. Make sure you're connected to the internet. You're going to need to be connected to the internet. So either connect to it with your hotspot on your phone or be close enough to your house to connect to it. And then you're going to go to this address that I linked below. Otherwise, if you don't want to click the link on my video to download the APK, usually on the box there will be a QR code and you can download it there, but it's a lot easier just to click the link. Well, you won't be able to click the link unless if you're watching YouTube on this itself. So the best thing to do, what I had to do, is just copy and paste, if you can, the link, and I'll put that in the description below, and then just hit go. And then what it's going to do is it's going to prompt to start downloading the AutoKit APK, and then it's asking me to download it again. I already have it downloaded, but you'll just hit download. You can see it downloading, and then once it downloads, it'll ask you if you to open up the app. You're going to hit open, and it's going to start wanting to download it. You're going to click install. Now the app is installed, then you'll hit open. It's a very simple install as long as you have the link to do it. So now this is what you'll be prompted with right at the beginning as soon as you open the app. So the app should download. It'll look like this one. So when you open it, it's going to say please insert the product. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug this in to one of the extra USBs you got on your car. Once you plug that in, so you'll plug it in, and then now it'll ask you to connect to your phone, and then just simply get a lightning cable, plug in your iPhone, plug it into the back, and then you'll be good to go. Alright, so once you get your phone plugged in to the dongle, you'll instantly start up with Apple CarPlay. So it's very simple, easy to do. All you got to do is just buy the $40 dongle from Amazon. I'll put a link of that in the description. Download the app, and then you're instantly ready to go. One of the biggest things that I've noticed, because I have this on my Corolla and I also have it on my Camry, sometimes this will freeze up and everything like that, but I've noticed that if you buy the right one, I've had a couple, and I've had a couple in each one of my cars, because I was having problems with it, but then I realized that it wasn't the dongle that was actually giving me the problem. It's actually the software on the dongle that starts giving you problems, because every time Apple updates their phone to new iOS, whatever it is, 13, whatever, then you start having problems with it loading over here. And I found the best thing to do is unplug your phone, prompted with this screen right here, asking you to plug in the product, plug in your phone, whatever. Go to the settings, and then you got a whole bunch of other settings too to turn on if you're doing that. Night mode. And another nice thing I like to always have is automatic start. Turn that on, and then once you get in the car, it'll automatically bring up this application, so you don't have to keep clicking it every time. And then as soon as you plug in your phone, you'll be good to go. So, and then just a bunch of other little things that you can change. But one of the biggest things is the software version, which we should have downloaded the newest version, and then the box version. These need to be updated too. So when you plug it in, I would always recommend you to recheck for updates. So it's saying that we got the best up-to-date software for the actual Android head unit, but it's saying that the box needs to be upgraded. All you do is just click upgrade. It's going to download something different for you. And it's going to upgrade. And then it'll say that the box has been upgraded successfully. And then I noticed too when I was updating on my Camry one that sometimes there's several different updates. So just check for updates again. So now it's saying there's fixed some new known updates. So just keep doing it over and over again. I don't know why they don't give you the newest version right on the first time you download it, but I would just keep doing this, especially if you're having problems. Keep upgrading the box and do it over and over again. Alright, so here it is. Here is Apple CarPlay running on the Android head unit. Like I said, super simple. Just had to download an app, or download an APK, install it, and then you're done. Maybe update the software once or twice, so that way you don't have any problems in the future. So if you guys got any questions, please leave them down below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.